Yeah, welcome to this class. And in this video, we are going to consider how to solve simultaneous equation using elimination method. Using elimination method. Elimination method. Using elimination method. How can we solve this problem using elimination method? Elimination method is one of the methods we use in solving simultaneous equation. So we are going to approach this. This is the equation 2x plus y plus minus 1. Call it equation 1. And we have x plus 2y equals 7 as equation 2. How do we solve this? The first thing we can decide to eliminate the terms in y. Now, for us to eliminate the terms in y, it is pertinent for us to note that the coefficient of y has to be equal in value, but not necessarily equal in terms of, they have to be equal in terms of the numbers before them, but not in terms of, not including the sign. The sign is not too material, but let the number be the same. For instance, you can have -2 and +2. It's okay, so long the numbers are the same, but their signs are different. If their signs are also the same, no problem. But the most important thing is the number. So how do you make this and this to be equal? If we multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of y in equation 2, the equation of y in equation 2 is 2. If we multiply it by if we multiply equation 1 by that 2, then we would have made the coefficient of y to be the same. Once the coefficient of y is the same, we can eliminate it easily. So that is why we must make the coefficient of y to be the same. If you want to eliminate x, you must make the coefficient of x to be the same. Not in terms of their signs, but in terms of their numbers. Very, very emphatic about that. So, but also we want to eliminate y. In this case, if we are to eliminate y, make the coefficient of y the same by multiplying equation, we multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of y in equation 2, which is 2. Therefore, we'll have something like this: 2 into 2x plus y equals 2 bracket minus 1. So we'll multiply everything. We'll not only multiply the left hand side, we must also multiply the right hand side. So if we break the bracket now, we have 4x plus 2y equals minus 2. We can call this equation 3. We can then solve equation 2 and 3 simultaneously, because in this case, the coefficient of y, they are now the same. So we have solving equation 1, equation 2, solving equations 2 and 3 simultaneously. We'll have x plus 2y equals 7, equation 2, and 4x plus 2y equals minus 2, equation 3. At this point, our target is to eliminate terms in y. The terms in y is our target. So the only operation we can use to eliminate terms in y is to subtract. We can say equation 2 minus equation 3, or equation 3 minus equation 2. So in this case, if we say equation 2 minus equation 3, we'll have something like this. This minus this is minus 3x. This minus this is 0. This minus this is 9. So we have minus 3x equals 9. To get x, we divide both sides by minus 3. So we have something like this, and the answer is minus 3. So if this is our answer, and we have to find the value of y, we can make a substitution of this value of x into any of the equations. Currently, we have we can make this substitution into equation one because the equation with small with smaller values so that it will not stress us much. So to make our substitution, you can substitute x value into equation one, and if we do that, we'll have 2 into minus 3 plus y equals minus 1. This time this is minus 6 plus 1 equals minus 1. Then we can collect like terms. If we collect like terms, we'll have minus 1 plus 6 y equals 5. Therefore, x equals minus 3 and y equals 5. So this is how you can solve simultaneous equation um, using elimination method. Thank you.